Hi, I'm Kaz Pearman from What's New in Electronics. I'm here today at Electronica 2022 and I'm joined by James from Checksum.
Hi,
Good
thanks for having
afternoon.
me.
Oh, it's a pleasure. It's been a while.
Yes.
I mean, the last Electronica 4 years ago in person.
Yes, it's great to be here and see the crowd. It's been really good. It's been a good week so far.
And so over this kind of past few days, what have you had in terms of the feedback, in terms of clients and visitors and things?
Yeah, so the first 2 days of the show have been very busy. We had really a record number of people at our booth and a lot of interest in our demo that we brought to the show.
Can you tell me a little bit more about the demo? So what does that involve?
Sure. So we created a demo of a test fixture that demonstrates our technology for parallel tests. So we have parallel ICT and parallel programming combined with what we call parallel functional tests. So the demo displays the LIN and CAN parallel tests that we're capable of. And we can test and program the entire board in parallel. So it's interesting to our customers because it's a fast test, but it also allows them to bring more testing earlier in the test process, find those faults before they go to end of the line and have scrap.
So where did this and how did this technology evolve?
Well, Checksum's been around for over 30 years, and we've been doing functional testing in circuit all that time. But what's new is our ability to do that test in parallel. And so that brings new options for our customers to do different tests because we can do them faster. That gives them more time to think about some different things to test earlier in that test process.
So in terms of that whole quality control, in terms of timing, how does that and what does that look like from a customer's point of view?
Well, we do a lot of work in the automotive space, and our customers have requirements for zero rework. So if they do find a problem, it's scrap. So the earlier they find that problem in the test process, the less cost. There's a rule of 10x. Each step that it goes down the process, it's going to cost 10 times more when they find that problem. So if they can find it right at the SMT line, that reduces their exposure. So that's the idea is for testing, earlier in the process. Also, there's a big drive towards touchless tests, no human handling. So we do have automated systems that attach right to the SMT line. So the board is never touched by a person. It goes right out of the SMT line into the test and then into their board handlers.
Automation seems to be the buzzword over the past few days, and then in looking forward to 2023, what do you see the impact of that from a global perspective in this industry?
Yeah, well, this year, 2022 has been a record year for Checksum, bringing on new customers, we're looking forward to 2023. The show gives me a lot of encouragement that we're seeing so many people here, but we know there's headwinds out there. We're all seeing what's happening around the world. So we're happy to bring on the new customers. People are interested in our technology. So it's all about getting more of the market share. That's what we're looking for.
Absolutely, and also that business of being back face to face again, and nothing I think can take that away now. I think understanding, regardless of what technology you have to offer, people buy from people.
People do buy from people and people they trust, and so building that trust, getting out to the trade shows. We've been doing a lot of demos for customers where we actually put a machine in their facility and we define what the success criteria would be for that demo, and we prove what we can do. So if we say we can do this test time and programming time, they get to see it before they make a decision to buy it. And again, that's really building the trust because they don't have to guess. It's going to be proven.
James, thank you so much for your time today.
Yeah, thank you. Nice to see you.